Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals, and I also have favorites. And today I'm going to share one of my favorite things to do with you. Today I am making natural scents. Yes, I'm making a natural organic air freshener, and this is my favorite thing to do this time of the year. I love to make it in fall, during the winter time, especially around Christmas, because when you think of Christmas, you think of family, you think of yummy treats, good smells, cold weather. Of course, you think of our Creator. Now, I'm just sharing how I love to mix fresh lemons, limes, fresh oranges, and then tangelos, and then also added cinnamon stick and just like a half a tablespoon of egg. And there's different fragrances. One of my other favorite things to do is to add rosemary, cranberries. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. But anyways, I just wanted to share, you don't have to use the chemicals in the air fresheners that normally you buy in the stores. I have allergies, and so I like to make my own organic air freshener. Here I added it to 2 cups of water, and then you just kind of let it boil. And as it boils, oh boy, the smells, the aroma, it's instant. It smells up the whole house, and it's wonderful. Here I have a pot, but what I normally do is I'll just add the fresh cut lemons, the fresh cut oranges, maybe 2 or 3 cinnamon sticks. If you keep watching to the end, here I'll show you how I prepare one. I actually prepared this one for a family member who absolutely loves the organic air freshener. So you prepare any spices that you like. You know your aromas, your favorite aromas. You can use lavender. For the winter, you can use peppermint scents. But here I'm just going to use of anescia, cinnamon, cilantro, apples, and orange meg to a mason jar. And then I'll just pour the water in and you seal it. And then you can just use it as you need it. When you're ready to use it, you just boil it in your pot. Yes, and it makes wonderful gifts. I love to give them away as well during the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. So here I'm making a fresh batch, and it was so much fun sharing this video with you. Thank you so much for watching, taking time out of your busy day to watch me create something special, and hopefully you will make this at home. And if you do, be sure to give me a shout out. I will come and check out your video, and of course I'll give you the biggest thumbs up. So thank you so much again. Continue to have a wonderful day. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Keep watching.